Hey everyone, Becki-licious here. Today we are making chicken cordon bleu, but I'm doing it my way. Look at this amazing chicken cordon bleu. So tasty. Watch how I made it. All right, so I've already got my chicken breasts. I butterflied them and I pounded them super thin, as you can see. And I got a little heart shape. Isn't that appropriate? And it wasn't even planned. Now, what I do differently for my chicken cordon bleu is the way that I season it. So we're going to start out with, of course, my kicking chicken. Got to have a little bit of kick. All right, so for this first one, not only are we going to use ham, obviously, but I have found this habanero and jalapeno cheese. So this is why we're making it my way. So we're going to layer our cheese on the bottom. And then we're going to throw some ham in between it. Oof, oof, oof. Another slice of cheese or two. A little bit more ham. This is going to be so good. I just know it is. All right, now we get to roll. Very carefully. Look at all that yumminess. All right, now I'm going to get this wrapped up in some plastic wrap, and then this is going to go in the refrigerator for a little bit just to kind of help firm it up before we hit our next step. I've got my plastic wrap down, and now we're going to wrap this up nice and tight, okay? There we go. Seal up the ends, and then this puppy is going to go in the refrigerator for, like I said, at least a half an hour. All right, our chicken cordon bleu has been in the refrigerator for about half an hour. I've got my oven preheated to 325 because we're going to go in the oven. Right now, we're going to put it in our egg wash and switch it over to our panko breadcrumbs because we want this nice and crispy on the outside. All right, so we're going to go in our pan with the hot oil, about 5 minutes on each side. Then it's going to get in the 325 oven. All right, let's get this transferred over to our baking dish so we can throw it in the oven. All right, these chicken cordon bleus are ready to come out of the oven because I'm starving. Oh yes. All right, let's plate up and eat some dinner. All right, dinner is served. Our chicken cordon bleu came out absolutely amazing, nice and crispy on the outside, and I'm sure everything on the inside is all nice and melty and yummy. So now we get to try it. Right. Time to try my version of a chicken cordon bleu. Oh, that's so yummy. That spicy cheese. That kicking chicken. That's the way to do it. Chicken cordon bleu with a little bit of a kick. You gotta love it. So there you go. We had another fun adventure in the kitchen today. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves, because I know I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Okay?